प्यारे बच्चों, आपको पिछले दिन द एज ऑफ हिटलर के बारे में पढ़ाया था। उसी के अंतर्गत आपको आगे पढ़ाने जा रहे हैं। उसी के अंतर्गत यूएसएसआर प्रीडोमिनेशन ऑन द ईस्टर्न यूरोप के बारे में देखें। द चेन ऑफ सक्सेस enhanced the self-confidence of Hitler. Now Hitler concentrated on winning the entire Eastern Europe. He wanted to ensure resources and living space for German people. In June 1941, he invaded the Soviet Union. This was historic blunder of Hitler. This attack exposed German western front of British aerial bombardment, while on the eastern front the Soviet armies were causing trouble to the German armies. The Red Army of the Soviet Union forced the German army to retreat the Stalingrad. The Red Army of the Soviet Union handed the retreating German army to the end, and they reached the heart of Berlin. This event established Russian hegemony over the entire Eastern Europe for half a century. After that, American intervened in the Second World War. America had been trying to keep away from the Second World War. America did not want to repeat the problems for itself what it suffered in the First World War, but it could not remain aloof from the Second World War for a long. In the East, Japan had been increasing its strength. Japan had occupied French Indochina, Colombia, Laos, and Vietnam, and it was planning to attack on the American naval base in the Pacific Ocean. When Japan extended its support to Hitler and targeted the American base at Pearl Harbor with bombs, America had to join the Second World War. This war ended the Hitler's defeat and dropping of American atom bomb at the Japanese city of Hiroshima. The Nazis worldview the crime that Hitler and his supporters committed were linked to a set of values and a typical behavior. Hitler and his Nazi supporters had their own view of the world. According to this view, all the societies were not equal. They were either good or less good in racial ranking. They taught that the blunt Nordic German Aryans were superior to all, while the Jews deserved hatred. The Jews were supposed to the anti-race and arch enemies of the Aryans. All others were placed somewhere between the Aryans and the Jews according to their compensation and features. This racist view of Hitler was based on the theories of thinkers like Charles Darwin and Herbert Spencer. Darwin was a natural scientist who attempted to explain the evolution of plants and animals through the concept of development and natural selection. Later, Herbert Spencer advanced the idea of the survival of the fittest. According to this theory, only such species as could adapt themselves to changing climatic conditions would survive on the earth. Darwin called the theory of the selection purely natural and never accepted the idea of human intervention in this process, where the racist thinkers and politicians took the support of the Darwin theory of the justify their imperial rule over the conquered societies. The rationale of the racist was simple: the strongest race will survive, the weaker ones will perish. The Aranwar race was the finest, they should retain their purity, must acquire strength and vanquish the whole world. The Hitler's theory of living space and geopolitical concept. According to Hitler, it was essential to capture more and more territories for his own people to settle. He thought that it would also enlarge the area of his mother country, and it would also make it easy for those who settle in new places to retain their close link with the place of their birth. According to Hitler, the more resources and strength could be acquired for German nation. Hitler wanted to extend the German boundaries eastward so that all the Germans could be concentrated geographically at the single place. Poland was turned into a laboratory for his concept. Now, Nordic German Aryans, who are Nordic, one branch of those classified as Aryans, they lived in North European countries, had German or related origin. Blonde, those have blue eyes and golden hair, also German. Now activities first and second are, that is A or B. सोर्स क्या है? कहते हैं द अर्थ इज नाइदर अलॉट टू एनीवन नॉर इज इट प्रेजेंट टू एनीवन एज ए गिफ्ट. इट इज अवॉर्डेड बाय प्रोविडेंस टू पीपल हु हैव करेज इन देयर hearts to conquer it, the strength to preserve it, and the industry to plow it. The primary right to this world is the right to live, so far as one possesses the strength for this. Hence, on this basis of this right, a vigorous nation will always find a way of adopting its territory to its population size. बी में क्या, ये तो हिटलर के अकॉर्डिंग टू है, सीक्रेट बुक के आधार पर. इन एन एरा द अर्थ इज ग्रेजुअली बीइंग डिवाइडेड बाय अमंग स्टेट, सम ऑफ विच embrace almost entire continents. We cannot speak of the world power in connection with the formation whose political mother country is limited to the observed area of 500 kilometers. Resources A or B. What do they tell you about Hitler's imperial ambition? What do you think Mahatma Gandhi would have said the Hitler about these ideas? आंसर में क्या दे रहे हैं? Hitler was an imperialist ruler. He wished to set up his rule over the whole world. Source A tells us that Hitler's plans was expand German front and also to promote the Nazi activity. सेकंड में, गांधी was non-violence thinker. He would advise Hitler to renounce his imperialist designings and to follow the path of non-violence. He would advise Hitler to concede the right to live for everybody. Thanks.
रुको एक मिनट, दीदी का मम्मी को फोटो दिखिए तुम्हारा। ठीक है, ठीक है।